Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to diagnose misfire on your truck or in your van or in anything. This is specific project. It's for 2012 Ford van E250 4.6 V8. Okay, I bought this truck about a week ago, and the car was say running misfire, cylinder number 1, number 6. I went through the engine myself and I started changing things. Spark plugs. The spark plug was really bad. You can see back here. Take one off here. The spark plugs was like this, as you can see it. Right here. See, the guy will never have a tune-up in this truck. Alright, so I'd go ahead and change those first. Then I swap coils around it, and I still give me the code misfire number 1, number 6. Random misfire. So the last check I did, it was check the injectors. So I took the injectors off, everything outside. You don't have to take everything outside if you don't want to. But I did it because I thought I have a spare one in my 2008 engine that I have in my basement, and it ended up not being the same thing. I was going to change the whole rail with the injectors, but they're not the same. Anyway, every cylinder that you see here, it's out. So I can change. You can check it on the engine himself. You don't have to take all this out. You just get your voltmeter to check the injector's bed. Okay, you get your voltmeter and set up in ohms and put it down to 200, and you can do this test in your engine himself with the rails in there. You don't have to take all this out unless you're gonna have to replace the injector. But I know for sure that I have to replace the injector because that was the last thought, or it could be the cylinder compression. That's the last thing I was gonna check. Some people checked it right away and checked the cylinder compression, but I went step by step, and I see there was a problem in the injector. So I have the injector out here. Okay, this is the bad injector. This is the bad injector. I'm not sure what is reading. How do you say this is bad? I went online. I found this on eBay for $44, free shipping, original part. As you see in the box. Come 2-day shipping right in my door from Pennsylvania. Alright, that was a great deal for original part. So I'm gonna show you what's the difference from see if I try to record this up at the same time. I'll show you the difference from one to this is the bed. This is the bed. Alright, you can see it's old. Wait, and this is the new one, the second one. Alright. So you watch what's gonna happen. It don't matter where you put the prongs. I'm gonna try to put this up here so you can see the voltage. Don't matter which side you put the prong, red and black, don't matter. Okay, look, I'm gonna touch the bad one. As you see, the number's gonna jump up. See the number? I'm trying to get close here. It's hard to record it. This is the number 29, 24, 29, 24. So that's the sign. Anything more than 15, it's bad. Now we're gonna see this one, the new one. It's gonna give exactly 15, 15.2. Here. Right there, 15.8. Okay, so this is a sign of a good injector. It's brand new injector. I check also the other ones, which is on the rail. I'm gonna show you right now that all of them give the same read as the new one. I just got in. Let's see if I can show you. See 15. That's the one in the rail. But I already checked all of them. All of them give me the same reading, except the one that's in the number one. That will give me a high reading. Anything over, this means the short inside is now open up, and don't burn gas in that specific cylinder, and that can cause random misfire. Okay, I hope this video helped, man. Feel free to ask me the questions, and have a blessed day. Thank you very much.